Thank you. Taylor County Middle School students received a letter about a whooping cough exposure at the school. According to a Facebook post from the Grafton-Taylor County Health Department, whooping cough can appear with a range of symptoms, including low-grade fever, vomiting, apnea, exhaustion, runny nose, and a coughing fit followed by a high-pitched whoop. The exposure follows a brief spike last year, with those numbers at the highest levels since 2010. The health department encourages anyone who feels like they may have been exposed to contact their family doctor.